Anna, and thank you, Dave, for giving me this chance for 5 minutes to share my experiences. Thank you so much. So, without taking much time, let me share my experiences of entry ticket and exit tickets. In the previous presentations, all were talked about in different manners about entry tickets and exit tickets. We all know that entry and exit tickets are quick formative assessments used at the beginning and the end of the class to know about the student's understanding and prompt reflection and structured learning. And this also offers an efficient way for instructors or teachers to assess the student's knowledge and adjust instructions based on the feedback. And when we talk about entry tickets, it can serve several purposes like active prior knowledge, assess readiness, engage students, and exit tickets as a prompt or question given to the students at the end of class. These tickets help in consolidating learning, providing feedback, and preparing for future lessons. Uh, that I want to discuss is use some innovative uses of entry and exit tickets as alternative assessment techniques. I have incorporated some elements of creativity, self-assessment, and peer feedback. So, by thinking beyond traditional questions and answer formats, teachers can make these tickets more engaging and meaningful. So, let us discuss some innovative ways. First is visual representation tickets. Sometimes I ask my students to draw a quick sketch or diagram representing their understanding of the previous lesson. Like while teaching a topic of ecosystem, they might sketch a simple food chain. And this gives insight into students' visualization skills and conceptual understanding. And for exit ticket, we can use visual reflection by asking the students to create a concept map summarizing the day's lessons, and it allows them to connect the ideas and demonstrate their understanding of the relationship between the concepts. And second innovative way is peer question and answer technique. When we talk about entry ticket, students have to write one questions they still have from the previous lesson, and then they pair them up with and let each student try to answer their partner's question before discussing with the class. And this method allows the student to test their own understanding and support their peer learning. And during exit ticket, we can ask each student to write down a question about the day's topic. They could use to quiz a classmate. Uh, and when we talk about exit ticket, we can ask them to write down a question about day's topic they could use to quiz a classmate, and this help them identify key points from the lesson and prepare them for deeper discussions in future classes. And we can make some fun with these entry and exit tickets by framing an activity like two truths and a lie, or we can call it a concept check. uh, During entry ticket, students can write down two true statements and one false statement about what they remember from a previous topic, and their peers or as a teacher try to identify the lie. And this fun approach helps assess prior knowledge and clarify misconceptions in very creative way. And when we talk about exit ticket, after the completion of lesson, students create two truths and a lie about the day's content, which the class or teacher will review. This encourages students to reflect on their learning and reinforces their understanding by creating some testable statements. And next is micro presentation exit ticket. Uh, at the end of class, we can assign each student a specific topic or point from a lesson and ask them to give a 1 minute presentation to a small group or pair. This method gives students